Hello everyone. In this class we will be learning about the classification of plants on the basis of their mode of nutrition. Nutrition means the process by which plants take in their food. So, on the basis of their nutrition, we can classify plants as epiphytes, parasites, saprophytes, insectivores, and symbionts. Let us first discuss about epiphytes. The term epiphytes consists of two terms, that is epi and then phytes. Epi means upon or over and phytes means plants. So these plants or the epiphytes are plants which grow on other plants, and that plants may be either living or dead. So it grows on the other plant only for the support system and not to derive nutrition from that host plant, because it derives its nutrition from the air and rainwater. Now let's discuss about parasites. So parasites are plants that also grow on other plant, but that plant should always be living. The plant should always be living because the parasites depend on the other plant to obtain nutrition from the living host plant. One of the most common example of parasites is cuscata. And if we see the example of epiphytes, the most common ones are orchids. And the third one is saprophytes. So saprophytes are plants that grow on dead and decaying plants or decaying organic matter. So most common example is the fungus. And next one is the insectivores. Insectivorous plants depend on insects for food, but it does not depend completely on the insects for its complete nutrition, but only to obtain nitrogen from the insects. They feed on the insect because they are usually found on soil that are deficient in nitrogen content. Therefore, they take in the insect to complete its nitrogen composition. Common examples are Nepenthes plant and the Nutricularia. The last one are symbionts. In symbionts, two organisms will be living together and they have a specific purpose for living together as they have a mutual benefit. Most common example is mycorrhiza, where we see the association of root and the fungus. The fungus brings in nutrition for the plant and the root of the plant provide nutrition to the fungus. So they help each other or they have a mutual benefit. That's why they live together. Another example is lichen, which is the association of algae and fungi. In this case also, the fungus will bring the nutrition while the algae will share the food that it has prepared to the fungus. So they have a mutual benefit for one another.